Life never stops. Things are in constant motion every day. Moving, transporting, producing, and keeping the time. Gears continually provide power for all these tasks, behind the scenes. Without these gears, what would our lives have been like? We're here in Kawaguchi, Saitama Prefecture, at Kohara Gear Industry Company, Limited. A living legend in the gear industry, KHK consistently delivers reliability and satisfaction to customers, with assured quality and speedy service. In 1935, Kohara Haguruma Kosho was established. In 1955, the KHK Standard Gear was born. In 1962, we established our agency system. In 1988, KHK Company, Limited was established. In 1993, KHK Noda Company, Limited was established. Today, these three companies operate on a global basis. In our company's nearly 100 years of history, we have created numerous gears. Our KHK Standard Gears are a standardized lineup built to our original specifications. KHK Quick Mod Gears. We can further machine KHK Standard Gears to meet customer specifications. We have created various mount series of KHK Original Standard Gears with additional machining. KHK's standardized gears eliminate steps between the manufacturer and the customer, letting us deliver the needed products to our customers speedily. Details about all our products are available in the KHK General Catalog. Our headquarters in Kawaguchi, Saitama Prefecture, houses our main factory for manufacturing special orders or for additional machining. Our unique production management system comprehensively manages all processes, materials, machining, and delivery times. We maintain stock of a wide range of standard gears, letting us ship orders without delay. The KHK Noda factories in Noda, Chiba Prefecture, are key for the production of standard gears. This facility boasts some machinery and manufacturing technologies found nowhere else. Everything needed to make standard gears is right here. After manufacture and machining, we use top caliber inspection equipment to inspect our gears. Here we maintain the best quality control system possible. Visitors can tour both the Kawaguchi and Noda factories. We show visitors how gears are made, focusing not just on the end product, but on the careful processes in place to create them. We put our heart and soul into each gear we make. Right now, behind the scenes, our gears are keeping the world in motion. Without any errors in operation. Without a moment's rest. In an ever-changing world, we deliver unchanging quality.